Friday, DroneLife had the opportunity to participate in a time-honored tradition at the New York Stock Exchange, the ringing of the opening bell. We were there to celebrate the launch of a new way to invest in the drone industry, the listing of UAV and AdvisorShares Drone Technology ETF. Images property of New York Stock Exchange Group Incorporated or its affiliates. 2022 New York Stock Exchange Group Incorporated. All rights reserved. At DroneLife, we get calls and emails all the time from readers and investors who want to know how they can participate in the drone industry's growth. Over the past several years, regulations, drone technology, global supply chain issues, and heightened awareness of security issues have all contributed to the rapid adoption of uncrewed systems. Urban air mobility and advanced passenger aircraft are on the horizon, with global regulators predicting deployment right in the next few years. And beyond drone hardware of any size, a widespread ecosystem of supporting technologies is booming. The UAV ETF offers dedicated drone exposure, thematic investment in unmanned aerial vehicles, and autonomous vehicles for investors who want the opportunity to participate in the drone industry, as UAVs are poised to become a part of everyday life around the world. Venture capital investment in drone industry startups continues to break new records every year, and the numbers are getting bigger. As more drone ecosystem players go public, and more publicly traded companies participate in the drone industry, AdvisorShares Drone Technology ETF provides a welcome way to invest in the drone industry. Check out the details here, including the list of holdings. At DroneLife, we are true believers in the drone industry. We believe that drones have the potential to change the world for the better, taking on the dark, dirty and dangerous jobs best handled by uncrewed systems. In wildfires and emergency response, drones have become an invaluable and revolutionary tool. Drones can ease supply chain challenges, meet needs caused by aging populations and connect depopulated rural areas to critical supplies. UAVs can make policing safer for officers and communities, make search and rescue more effective, and change your response to environmental challenges. We were honored to participate in the New York Stock Exchange opening bell ceremony with investors and managers who share our vision, and we're excited to see the introduction of a new way to invest in drones. UAV ETF is a sponsor of DroneLife.com. Read about this and more drone news on DroneLife.com.